So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arsalan and today we are on day 3 of building the problem solving skills with the help of Python. Now if you are very new to this playlist, very new to this channel, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. Now in this playlist we have been building problem solving skills with the help of Python. We started from a very easy question, very a basic question you can say. We started from strings, then we have moved on to integers, then we have moved on to booleans as well, then right now we are currently focusing on list. Now we have covered so many questions already. You can watch my tutorials and on each tutorial you'll be finding different questions. Now on day 3 of list, this is a list play this these right now we are solving this list questions, and I've covered already 2 question, and right now I will be covering third question. All right, so in this question it says that write a Python function to check if a given element exists in a list. All right, so I have to check whether a given element is exists in a list or not. So to do that, what I can do here is, first of all, I have to create a function. And just before starting with this question, guys, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Now let's create a function. Let's create a function that check given element. Now I will be taking some list. So let's say I have a list and I can give a name as something like L1 or list1. I can say list1 or my list, anything you can give. Now I've taken my list, and in my list I have to check whether an element is present or not. So next argument will be my element. All right, now I will be passing this value for a while, and because I will be printing this function print check given element, and I will be taking a list. List will be my 3 7 9 12, and then I will be taking element. So element will be 7. Now I have printed this value. Now let's get back to the function and write the logic for it. And the logic will be very simple. I will be telling you a way that is a very simple way to just check whether an element is present inside a list or not. That is to use in keyword. So I'll be using in keyword. I'll be saying that if element in my list return true, else return false. Now if I will be doing it like this and run the code, you will be seeing that I will be getting a true value as I have expected. Now if I just copy this whole printed function with a list and an element and just replace it with some values. Let's suppose I replace it by 10, which is not present, so I should be getting a false value. So this is what we have to do in the question. Now guys, this was a very easy approach, right? This was a very easy approach because we have used the in operator, and it is directly telling you the way which can return you a boolean value, of course. Now this approach we are not gonna apply. It means that you will be applying it in while you will be coding, but this is a logic building problem solving playlist. So of course we will be not using these sort of keywords, which will be really straightforward. We have to really open our brain. So this playlist is just really an opener for brain. Okay, so what I'll be doing here is I will be applying some logic which will be really help you to build your problem solving skills. Now I will be creating I will be creating for loop, and I will be iterating through this my list. All right, so I'll be checking for item in my list, and in my list my items will be 3 7 9 and 12, which I have taken as my parameter below. and I can show it to you that if I print my item, it will be 3, 7, 9 and 12. Let me just print it for you. So you can see that I'm getting 3, 7, 9 and 12. Let me just comment this below here and print it for you again. So you can see that I'm getting 3, 7, 9 and 12. Now what my approach here will be, I will be checking, instead of using this in keyword, I will be just checking that I have iterated through my list, right? So I will be checking if item is equals to element return true, and if it is true then exit the loop and return false if it is not there. So it will be going inside the loop, it will be iterating through. First it will be checking for between 3 and 7. All right, so it will be not true, so it will be again going through the loop and it will be checking for 7 and 7, so it will be true, so it will be returning me true value. All right, and then for 10, let's suppose I have 10 as my element, right? I have 10 as my element. So first of all it will be checking for 3, between 3 and 10. So item will be 3 and element will be 10. Between 3 and 10 it will be false, so again it will be iterating through the loop. Now it will be checking between 7 and 10. Now it will be false again, so it will be again iterating through the loop. Now if it is it will be between 9 and 10, and it will be again iterating the loop because it will be false again. It will be checking between 12 and 10 finally, and it will be again a false condition, so it will be again exiting the loop. And right now it will be not iterating further because there are no elements items left inside my list. So there are no items left inside my list, so it will be just exiting the loop, and after I exit the loop I have just returned the false condition, which is true for all, means false for all the false for all the values if it is not meeting and meeting this condition. And this is what you have to do. Now if I run this code, it will be giving you the exact same answer with which we were getting with our in keyword. So I hope you have understood this question, guys. If you do so, please comment down in the comment section that you have understood this question. If this playlist is really helping you guys to build your problem solving skills, please guys share it with your friends as well, so that they can also get benefit from the playlist, and comment down in the comment section that this playlist is really benefiting you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.